Hi, it's Miss Parrott, and in this video, we're going to be looking at what's coming up next in the AP Bio Exam Skills series. So as we get closer to May, we need to remember that it's not just biological knowledge, but it's how to use specific exam strategies that we need to know to be successful and score as high as we can on the AP exam. So in this series, we're going to be exploring things like how to translate bio speak into plain language so that we can read and understand what the question is asking. We're going to be looking at how AP Bio uses data, graphs, and charts, how we can interpret them to get all different types of questions correct, how to filter out unnecessary information, how to navigate the hybrid exam, right? Because the multiple choice section is on the computer and the FRQ section is handwritten. So how do we navigate that shift? Also, multiple choice questions and FRQ questions, some tips and tricks there about how to, like, what if I have two really good answers? What do I do? Or FRQs, like how to fully answer the question and give them what they want without using the shotgun approach and wasting our time. And then most importantly, the how to address and how to overcome when there's something on the test that you've never seen before. I've never seen that, and then suddenly our world shatter. We're not gonna let that happen. So stick with me for the next couple months. Students, we're gonna be learning how to do this. Teachers, I'm gonna be working with you on how to help teach this. If you are looking forward to the videos in this series and need help with these skills or with teaching these skills, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so you get all the information. Leave a comment, question, or an emoji down below. Teachers, you'll be able to find resources that pair with all of these different skill sets at Teachers Pay Teachers at my store, Know and Grow with Gnomes. So please do check it out. Stick with me for the next couple of months. We're going to keep learning and keep growing, and we'll see you next time.